Bro, listen. Kai and a girlfriend are breaking up. Girl not cheating on Kai. And people are saying, say, other girl no about the man because guy na only cheating, you know. Kai was sketching. Kai is very responsible than that guy. Kai is very famous than that guy. Bro, this is another privilege for you as a young guy to learn. Don't be there saying, say, your woman be different, bro. Forget it. No matter what, your money can never keep a woman. Into you're a young guy now, and you think, say, you are hustling because of a bar. You are hustling because you really want to keep a woman, bro. You will learn the hard way. Your money can never keep a woman. And bro, I'm telling you for a fact, say a child, maybe our girl no choosing over you are. It will shock you. You see this guy now, Kai girlfriend ni cheating, and bro. Guy no baby mama is able to. I think say obaba akron na utu. Mama can you now obi ane mama. And it's out there. What the trouble on team obi who be you, but still, Kai girlfriend, see sa guy no over Kai. It will a bear man now on my bro. Don't be there fooling yourself, thinking say you your woman be different, bro. Choose yourself. If you really want to hustle for your own good, hustle for your mama. Usi can't mean keep you about. I'm telling for a fact, say, Ben maybe I won't do standard. Ben maybe I own Ben baby back crown, bro. And our girl no obey choose no over you. And your banana, this is another privilege for you to learn and understand, bro. Don't be there saying, say, you, your woman be different. No matter what you do, woman will disgrace you. Woman will disappoint you, bro. And Daniel boy, my boy.
I dey pity all of una we get only one girlfriend. Every day by day, my teachings they come to pass. This guy Cenat, abi guy Cenat, girlfriend leave am, go meet man we get 10 baby mamas. Cardi B leave Offset, go meet man we get multiple baby mamas. I made one statement. I said I know they marry, and even if I must get married, it must be polygamy. I not fit date one girlfriend at a time. It's not possible. I too dey valuable for only one woman to keep me. That mindset I get.